What's going on, everybody? Today we have a big one, man, a big one right here. As you can see, we have the Mustang, and then we have the Scout, and we have my brother Chris, man. Everybody say what's up to Chris, man. Chris, this is the gang, man, the family, man. Today we finally have Chris brave enough to try it. I don't mind him crashing it. It's fine, guys, it's fine. It's all experimental purposes. But we're gonna maiden our FT Scout XL, man. I will give you guys the specs after the flight, because there's people getting ready to play baseball, as you can see over there. So we're gonna give them their field. We're not gonna be stingy, but we're gonna be quick. So let's get in the air, guys. All right. Beautiful. Wow. Wow. Let me stop looking at your plane. I'm just so amazed that you're flying. Yeah, Brody. So amazing. Try to stay with you. Wow. Getting ready for the Gaggle 4, guys. Dog Patrol, whatever it's called. I forgot what it was called. Hey, don't worry about me. I got you, bro.
Oh, what the hell?
No, don't worry about me, bro. I got you. Saved it. I saved it.
Yo.
All right. This thing is smooth. Wow, this thing is unbelievably smooth, man. Now this is a 2200 milliamp 3S. Wow, let's see those rolls. Wow. Wow, guys. This thing is amazing. It's so silent. Wow, let's try to get a low pass. Wow, look at that. Wow. Wow. Let's try this inverted. No, too low. I'm scared, guys. I'm scared. Wow, this is amazing. Look at that. Wow. How do you feel, Chris?
Good.
You good, man? You got it under control up there, huh? I see you, man. I'm trying to go up there with you. Yeah, it's the wind. It's okay. Try to get a low pass, presentation pass. Yeah, it was a little windy. Wow. This thing is simply amazing, man. I can't get a presentation pass right now, so let me just get a nice low pass. I see you, Chris. Wow, this is smooth, man. Wow. You might want to get higher, yeah.
Yo.
Wow. Wow. Nice Nice little low pass. All right, I'm gonna bring her down and I'm gonna switch my battery, man. Yeah, let's come down, check our batteries. And you can land first.
Oh.
You got it, you got it. There you go. Little hard. It's good though. I'm gonna come in. Oh, I saved it. There you go. Woo! Smooth, guys. That thing is smooth. All right, guys. I didn't put the 4S yet. I have another 3S brand new in there. And I have my brother up there in the drone. Up there somewhere. So, it's pretty far. I'm going to try to just take it up there for you guys. You see me? I want to try that inverted. Flip the high rates. Wow. 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 I hope you can see that. Guys, I'm still inverted. Wow. Did you see that? If you want, you can move a little closer with the right stick. Just push it up real slow. Wow. See those roll rates. Whoa! Wow. This thing is amazing, man. It's so smooth. Wow. All I had to add is the barbecue skewers for the stabilizers in the back and the rudder. And now we're good. And the motors, I forgot. The motor decals. We'll try to go up there. Ha! Let's try to get a low pass. Wow. This thing is amazing. Now the only thing that's like bothering me a little tiny bit is the landing gear. I really wanted to put those big fat wheels on it, but for some reason I didn't have enough room for it, so it's okay. This thing is firm. Come a little bit more up, bro. To me. Forward. Another inverted. Whoa, whoa, psych. Ha! I love it. Wow. This thing is nice. It's nice. Battery. All right, guys, we're gonna switch battery and props.
Into the prop.
Huh?
The prop.
No, I'm gonna change it because I'm gonna put a 4S on there. Yeah. So I'm gonna put a size a 1 inch smaller. Okay. So look, bro. Do you see this P right here? When you put it on S mode, that's sport mode, that's fast. So when you click it, I'm gonna have it on sport mode so that way you can follow me fast enough when I take off. Once I take off, you can literally just press it one time and it's on cinematic mode.
So you
now,
want to put it on sports mode when you take off?
no, I'm gonna put it on sport mode.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it on sport mode. It's gonna be on sport mode for you. And then once you already get me taking off, you're gonna
Put it back in P or C.
yeah, all you gotta do is just click it one time and it's gonna go back to C. You know what I'm saying? So right now, look, boom. I'm ready. Go. Go ahead, keep going, just go. It's good. Press return to home. Or you can bring it back yourself. So this is 4S, guys. Feel like it's all right. See, low pass right here. It's way faster than what it was. It's gonna land itself. And so it don't hit no trees. Wow. So now I know I can run 4S on here as well. Look at that how rock solid it is. Where's the drone at? Right there. I'm trying to get some drone shots. Haha. Can you see it on the drone? I'm about to try to come back. It's cool. Wow, this 4S, man. It's blazing, guys. Try a nice, smooth, low pass. Wow. Wow. This thing is smooth, man. Let's check the inverted with this now. See? Even better. Let's go against the wind. Even smoother. Look at that glide. Wow. 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 Unlimited. Unlimited vertical. Wow. This thing looks beautiful in the sky, man. Looks like we bought it. Smooth, man. This thing is beautiful, man. Guys, I'm gonna call it a day, man. You guys already know what this is, man. This is a beauty. It's a piece of beauty. It's a beauty, man. It's a beauty. It's a beauty. Wow. Wow, man. This is a beauty, man. Let me know in the comments down below where you guys be going to Wings Over Edgewater. I want to meet up with a couple people, man. It'll be nice. If God permits it, we will be there. So far, we definitely are. And we're going to bring this big beauty. Slick Comfort landing, man. This was beautiful. Smooth, man. Beautiful. That was beautiful. And I landed on high rates, man. I should have switched to low. Let me know what you guys think in the comment down below. I don't want to spoil the surprise for the new present, so we're gonna just give it a little bit, just a little bit. We're gonna enjoy it, man. Summer starting, and what a great way to start it, man. See you guys in the next one. Stay creative, man.